Using 3 body lotions isn't about complicating things. It's about giving your skin what it needs at a time. When I say 3 body lotion, I mean a protective body lotion, a treatment body lotion, as well as a targeted body lotion. Hello guys and welcome to my channel. How is everyone doing? If this is your first time, hello. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to this one. I'm going to be telling you guys how you can achieve a lighter complexion as well as a quicker result using 3 body lotion. Now, if you're someone who is suffering from dark spot, hyperpigmentation, discoloration, or maybe you have like dark knuckles, green veins and whatnot, you obviously would need 3 body lotion. I made a video some time ago about why I'm currently using 3 body lotion, and I got a whole lot of speculations in that video. Why? Because a whole lot of people just feel it's okay to use 1 body lotion. Like if you have a normal skin, like you don't have a problematic skin, good for you. But for us that have a problematic skin, that have complications with our skin, you need to take it a step further in order to see result, because you don't want to solely depend on one particular skincare product to do all there is for your skin. Like I said, you need number 1 a protective body lotion, number 2 a treatment body lotion, as well as a targeted body lotion. I have compiled a list of 6 body lotions that can be paired together in order to get a very good result. Now, the very first thing you need to do is, when you have problematic skin or hyperpigmentation or dark spot, you don't need to use the 3 body lotion at a go. When I say 3 body lotion, I don't mean using 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, and the other 1 at night. I mean using 1 during the day, the other 1 at night, and 3 times a week for the others. For your protective body lotion, you need lotions that contains vitamin C and more of protective ingredients like SPF, the one that can help shield and protect you against the harmful UV ray of the sun. It's no longer news that it is not advisable to use lightening body lotions during the day, or any body lotion that contains active ingredient like glutathione, kojic acid, alpha arbutin and lactic acid during the day. You need to use lotion that contains things like niacinamide, vitamin C, vitamin E, basically a moisturizing body lotion or brightening body lotion, because obviously brightening body lotion do not contain much of active. So lotions like this, especially with vitamin C, are advisable to be used during the day, so you don't end up getting a tan skin, because obviously when you use lightening body lotions during the day and you go under the sun, you are exposing yourself to, apart from sunburn, you're exposing yourself to skin cancer. So if you're using a lightening body lotion, you want to keep that only at night, and then use your brightening or moisturizing body lotion during the day. That way is going to help lock in a lot more moisture on your skin, because obviously we all know that because of the active ingredients in lightening body lotion, they don't have any business with moisture retention, so they don't have the ability to retain moisture on your skin or even hydrating your skin, which is where moisturizing body lotions comes in. Now, as for your treatment body lotion or maybe active body lotion, if you're someone who is struggling to lighten the skin perfectly and with getting a quicker result, your lightening body lotion should contain ingredients like glutathione, kojic acid, alpha arbutin, niacinamide, tranexamic acid, collagen, witch hazel. So these are the kind of ingredients that a lightening product should contain, and these are also ingredients that can treat the skin, like hyperpigmentation, discoloration, and effectively lightening the skin. Like it helps to slow down the melanin production. For your corrective or targeted body lotions, there are lotions that contains things like lactic acid, glycolic acid, your BHA and your AHAs, obviously. And product like this cannot be used every damn day. Product like this should be limited to 3 times usage or 4 times, depending on your skin issues or skin concern. Now, the very first product I'm going to be listing out, or pair them side by side, that you guys try out, that would like really lighten your skin and thereby moisturizing and hydrating your skin, giving you a unifying complexion, is number 1 on my list is the Dove body lotion, which is obviously this one. This is a very good body lotion that helps to hydrate and moisturize the skin. Like it softens the skin and smells really mild. It can pass for all skin type, especially for those with sensitive skin. Using this body lotion in your skincare routine or adding it into your skincare routine, it means you just want to be intentional. This is a very, very nice body lotion that does not do much of brightening, like a lot of brightening like that, but it is very good when it comes to moisture retention and effectively hydrating your skin. Okay, now you can pair it together with a Snapchat body lotion, because this body lotion is very active. It gives you a very, very good result like in 14 to 21 days. But if you pair it with something like this, you're going to get lasting result. Like you're not going to get any form of discoloration, dark knuckles, green veins, or white patches, because I get a whole lot of complaints, people using this particular body lotion, this Snapchat body lotion, that it is doing that, it is doing this. So if you're sensitive skin type and you're using Snapchat, or you want to start using Snapchat, pair it with a moisturizing body lotion or a hydrating body lotion, and you're definitely going to love your skin. Second one on my list is the Nivea Shea Moist body lotion. Like this is mainly to hydrate and moisturize the skin, leaving your skin really radiant and glowy. Like it gives your skin this lasting hydration upon, like I just don't know how to say it. The smell is divine and it is very mild and gentle on the skin. Of course, you guys know that Nivea has got to be like my favorite skincare brand that aims to moisturize and nourish the skin, because they are very much on a budget compared to other skincare brands that just basically does the same thing. Do you understand? So this is very affordable. I think it's selling for 4,800 to 4,500, I think, or to 5,000 naira at most. But yes, it is very, very good. This can be paired with V8 body lotion. Like if you are on a budget, these two products will definitely serve you. Like the both of them are not even up to 15,000 naira, so you can see that they are very much affordable, but then again very, very effective. V8 body lotion is a body lotion that has 8 vitamins infused in it. Like it is very, very nice if you want to effectively lighten your skin. I would advise you go for the pink one, but if you want to keep it really, really, really mild, like you don't want to go too like quick like that with the lightning effect, go for the black. Like all of them contains SPF, which means it can also protect you against the next day. Like because you're going to be using only at night, you don't even need to worry, so you're not going to get fast reaction or half like funny reaction. So V8 body lotion is very nice. I think it's selling for 7,000 to 8,000. It all depends on where you're getting it from. I've legit seen a place where they are selling for 6,000 naira. So if you can get it between this range, that is how much it is selling for. I forgot to say this is selling for I think 4,000 naira. Also depends on the country, like the one you're getting, because they have foreign and local. So I think the foreign one is selling for 6,000 naira and maybe less or more. All depends on your vendor. Okay, the third combo I'm going to be recommending for you guys is the Vaseline Even Skin Tone and the Clear Face to Face body lotion. Vaseline Even Skin Tone is a lotion I've talked about a whole lot of times here. It is far from me now, but that is another brand I love so much. Vaseline variants are very, very good in terms of moisture retention, evening out to the skin tone and unifying the skin tone. It is a very superb brand. Now pairing this up with the Clear Face to Face body lotion is going to be like a mad combo, because Vaseline Even Skin Tone is going to prevent appearance of blemishes and all of that, also helping to eradicate like black spots with time. So it is very, very good when it comes to effectively brightening the skin and protecting the skin, because it has UVA and UVB to help shield and protect you against UV ray of the sun. Now my current body lotion, because I told you guys I'm currently using 3 body lotion, this is one of it, and this is the Clear Face to Face super whitening body lotion. It's a 7 days whitening body lotion according to them, and this contains alpha arbutin, kojic acid, witch haza, and collagen. Like I said before, if you're looking for a lightening body lotion that would lighten your skin to add into your skincare routine, you need to look out for body lotion that contains glutathione, kojic acid, alpha arbutin, and all of those ingredients like lactic acid that helps to lighten up the skin. So this is one of it. This cannot be used every freaking day, especially for you who is sensitive skin like myself. Like even if you want to use it every day, it's not a body lotion that can be used morning and night, because like I said before, there were reactions I started getting before I now figured the best way to use it, and it has been working for me, because obviously I could not have thrown this away just like that or stopped using just like that. It was just so much for me to have just forget about it like that. So when I incorporated those other 2 body lotions, that is what I'm currently using, and it has really helped, like with the appearance, like, because at some point I think I started having some funny reactions, like dark knuckles. So if you're using a body lotion like this and you're getting reaction, you want to incorporate it with a moisturizer for your daytime, so you don't get funny reactions, and finish it up with a body oil. So yes, these two combo are very good. Like, they are going to like make you really smile. Now the next combo on my list here is the EOS body lotion. Like, this EOS body lotion is very good. It is mild, even babies can use it, even though it's not so moisturizing. But when it comes to hydration, when it comes to unifying your skin tone, like especially if you're a sensitive skin type, it is very mild and gentle on the skin. So why I paired this up with the Carrot Magic exclusive body lotion, it is because Carrot Magic is very active. So you want to pair it with the mildest of lotion possibly. So yes, Carrot Magic exclusive whitening body lotion lightens the skin with the help of carrot and other ingredients infused into it. Like, it has lightening ingredients that would whiten your skin in less than no time.
Up next on my list is a particular combo I recommended for my Odogo client, and she really loved it. Like, this combo is for people who don't mind spending their last cash on skincare products. This combo is none other than the Olay Vitamin C body lotion as well as the QI or Olay Vitamin C body lotion is selling for 26,000-27,000 depending on where you're getting it from, and the QI or body lotion is selling for 30 something thousand. It all depends on where you're getting it from. 60,000 naira should give you 2 of these products, and 60,000 naira in dollar, I think it should be around, like, I'm going to leave the equivalent on the screen. These 2 products are powerful when it comes to ascertaining an under yellowish skin tone. You want to have a plump beautiful skin that would leave people admiring your skin tone. This combo is one way to go. Olay Vitamin C is made with, of course, vitamin C and B3 as base ingredient. What it basically does is that it moisturizes the skin, plumps the skin, and also hydrates the skin, not ruling out brightening. So when you use this during the day, it means you want to brighten, you want to protect, because of course that is what vitamin C is known for. It brightens, protects, and also serve as an antioxidant. When I just see bad reviews flying around about Olay Vitamin C body lotion, I feel like these people do not really know why this particular product was formulated in the first place, because if you do, you will not be discriminating or giving it bad reviews. Now, the essence for Olay Vitamin C body lotion is basically to brighten, moisturize, as well as glow the skin. It unifies and evens out the skin tone. The effectiveness of Olay Vitamin C body lotion is totally dependent on other skincare products to use alongside. You cannot single-handedly use Olay Vitamin C body lotion to do everything that your skin needs. If you have a normal skin, you hardly ever have reactions, you're not particular about toning your skin, you're definitely going to love Olay Vitamin C. However, if you have other skin reactions and all of that, you want to pair it with another, like, other skincare products to get a very good result. So that is how Olay Vitamin C body lotion works. Like, you want to have a very effective result using Olay Vitamin C, pair it with another body lotion, or better still, a very good shower gel to get a very good result. You guys, if you can hear any noise, please pardon. Baby Zendaya is here. She just woke up from a nap and I was already filming this video. Now, on the other hand, QI or is a very good lightening body lotion. We made with organic plant extract to effectively lighten up the skin. If you have dark spots on your skin, you have uneven skin tone, you have bleached your skin, you just want something that is mild and gentle that will not make you go dark or darker than you were, then this is a product you want to start using. So QI is a very beautiful lotion that I kind of recommend to a lot of people who would tell me, you know what, price is not the problem, just give me a product that would work. Like, you go to bed with your 2 eyes closed, knowing you're not going to wake up to some sort of discolorations or hyperpigmentation. Another beautiful combo on my list, if I don't do this, posterity will not forgive me, because these 2 body lotions has really helped a whole lot of people I recommended to. So why not? Okay, Advanced Korean skin body lotion as well as the Lumine gold body lotion. Please, not the carrot, gold this time, because what we're looking for is an under yellowish light skin complexion, yellow undertone complexion. You don't want something that will give you laba laba on your skin. Now advanced Korean has been made with beautiful ingredients. It comes in 3 varieties, so I'm going to be recommending vitamin C for this purpose. If you have like an intense dry skin, I cannot recommend advanced Korean. Papaya one is very effective for effectively brightening the skin, but because you already have something that promises to lighten your skin effectively, you're going to be using the vitamin C variation for this particular combo. You guys, combo is a mad ass combo for those who are slightly on a budget, because advanced Korean skin body lotion is selling for 18 to 20,000 naira. Lumine body lotion is selling for 9 to 10,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. So plus or minus 30,000 naira can get you this both body lotion. Lumine I have used not one, not two, and I've used 2 variations of Lumine, and they are very, very effective, like very pocket friendly, but yet very effective. Now, if you have a sensitive skin, you will tend to see stuffs like green veins, white spots, and all with Lumine. But what I'm going to promise you is that if you use Lumine the right way, you might not have that reaction. Okay, I'm talking about those who might likely have reactions or carrot extract infused in it. You might have some sort of reaction. So in order to prevent that reaction, pair your Lumine with a very good body lotion that promises to brighten or moisturize the skin. You're not going to have vast reaction, and please use it with a very mild shower gel that will also brighten your skin. That way you're going to balance things up. As for the other lotion that is meant to be used 3 times a week, I'm going to recommend just 2 body lotions. Now these 2 body lotions might not be so affordable, but I promise you that if you incorporate this into your skincare routine, any of these body lotions in your skincare routine is going to be like a game changer. Number 1 is the Alpha Renewal Skin body lotion. Now this has like ingredients that aims to exfoliate the skin. It's a very effective exfoliating body lotion that will remove dead skin cells and impurities on the skin. It's going to prep your skin and bring out the radiance on your skin. It is a very effective body lotion that brightens and also like moisturize the skin. Now this is a cheaper version of Lactin, which is the second body lotion that is meant to be used 3 or 4 times a week. It's going to effectively repair your skin. Now this lotion cannot be used during the day, so even the 3 times weekly you're going to be using it is only at night, like unless you're maybe going to be staying at home for the whole day. If not, it is not advisable to use Lactin or Alpha Renewal or any exfoliating body lotion during the day when you're going out. Like it is not advisable. Now Lactin is very effective when it comes to effectively exfoliating the skin, brightening the skin, and moisturizing the skin. The only thing I don't like about this lotion is the fact that it doesn't smell really nice, but it does the job in terms of moisture retention. So if you have super dry skin, you're looking for an exfoliating body lotion, incorporate Lactin in your skincare routine, and you're definitely going to love. Alpha Renewal is beautiful. I think they have I don't know, these are the 2 exfoliating body lotions I tend to recommend anytime I'm recommending an exfoliating body lotion. So incorporating them in your skincare routine means you'll be using 3 body lotion. So you now can see that it is not like absolutely wrong having 3 body lotions in your skincare routine. Okay, so which of these lotions have you tried out, and which of these exfoliating body lotions have you actually really tried out? Let us know down in the comment section. You might love this video. Do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that, and I'll see you guys in my next one pretty soon. Bye.